Morning my dear students, welcome back to online class of EVS of class 2nd. How are you all? I hope you all are fine there and you have done good in your summer vacation. Students, today I Achal Mittal going to teach you EVS. Here I am with lesson number 3 question answers and book exercise. Before holidays I have completed explanation of lesson number 3. If you are having doubt you can see that video to clear your doubts. So students, not further delay, take out your book and start lesson number 3.
So my dear students, here's your book. Now come on page number 21. Here's your lesson number 3. As you all know, I have explained this chapter in my previous video which I have given before holidays. So if you are having any doubt, you can see that video to clear your doubts. Now come on the exercise of this chapter which is on page number 24. Here you can see, all of you open page number 24 in your book. Yes, very good. Now here is your first exercise. Tick the correct option. I hope you all are able to see it clearly. Your first question is tick the correct option, and the first one, bread is A, an energy giving food, B, a bodybuilding food. So the correct answer is energy giving food. Now second, this food is good for our bones. Which food? Option A is milk, option B is burger. So the correct answer is milk. Okay. Now third, we can eat this raw. हम रॉ का मतलब होता है कच्चा. हम क्या कच्चा खा सकते हैं? पोटैटो, एप्पल. सो एप्पल. Okay. Now fourth, this is a junk food. Noodles, apple. Junk food. So here is noodles. Okay. Which is not healthy for our body. They are called junk food. So noodles. I hope you all get the answer of this exercise. Again I am repeating. First A part, second A part, third B part, and the fourth A part. Okay. Now come on, next exercise. So students, this is a B exercise, and the question of B exercise is write E for energy giving, P for protective, and B for bodybuilding food. So students, here are some picture of food items. You have to mention which one is protective, which one is energy giving, and which one is bodybuilding. In this box you have to mention the latter. Students, you can see here I have written the name of the pictures. Here you can see juice and fruits, bread. In this way you all have to mention. Okay. In exam, if it will come, may picture will not come, name will come. May picture will come, name will not come. So you all have to do in both type. Okay. So now here juice and fruits are protective food. So you have to mention here P. All of you write down P in this box, first box. Now second, bread is energy giving food. So you all have to write E. Now next, X, body building food. B, rice, energy giving food. E, pulses, bodybuilding food. You have to write B. So the sequence of alphabets are P, E, B, E, B. Okay students, I hope you all get this exercise. Don't forget to mention the name of these pictures. Now come on, next page, page number 25. Here you can see C exercise. Now here your C exercise is put a tick for the correct statement and a cross for the incorrect statement. So students, your first question is, in this question what you have to do, you have to tick. जो सेंटेंस करेक्ट है उसके सामने आपको टिक करना है इन बॉक्सेस में, और जो सेंटेंस इनकरेक्ट है उसके सामने आपको क्रॉस करना है. ओके. नाउ फर्स्ट इज a person who only eats plants and its product is called a non-vegetarian. So students, जो पर्सन केवल प्लांट्स खाते हैं और उसके प्रोडक्ट्स खाते हैं, क्या उन्हें नॉन वेजिटेरियन कहते हैं? नो, उन्हें वेजिटेरियन कहते हैं. सो दिस इज़ अ इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. यू हैव टू पुट क्रॉस इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट. नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, elderly people like to eat oily and spicy food? No, they don't like to eat oily and spicy food. So it is also a incorrect statement. You have to put cross in the second one. Now third, Cooking make the food soft and tasty. Correct. You have to put right. And the fourth, fruits and vegetables protect us from diseases. It is also correct. You have to put right. Okay. I hope you get it. Now next, question answers. It is also on page number 25. Here you can see. Your first question is, here I am zooming in. Here. Why do we need to eat food? So the answer is, we need to eat food because it gives us energy to work and play. Okay, so you can write it in this way. You have to write in which I have written. Okay. Now second, name the 3 food groups that we have. So first, energy giving foods. Second, bodybuilding foods. Third, productive food. Here you have to write. Okay, you can see here third one. Now third question, who are vegetarians? Those people eat just plants and their parts. They are called vegetarians. So स्टूडेंट, जो लोग केवल प्लांट्स खाते हैं और उसके पार्ट्स खाते हैं उनको वेजिटेरियन कहते हैं. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फोर्थ, वाई डू पीपल हैव वेरिएशन इन फूड हैबिट्स? वेरिएशन मतलब डिफरेंसेस, अलग अलग क्यों होते हैं? पीपल को अलग अलग खाना पसंद क्यों होता है? बिकॉज पीपल हैव वेरिएशन इन फूड हैबिट्स ड्यू टू द एज ग्रुप, family and place where they live. So student, this is the answer of your fourth question. I hope you all have listened it well. You all can take a screenshot after pausing the video to write the answers, then you will be able to write easily. Okay students, now come on next to HOTS question. Below the, here you can see, here it is, here HOTS question. Okay, is Rahul eats a lot of junk food. Will he be healthy? So answer is no. If you will eat junk food, you will be healthy? No, your health will be destroyed and you will not be feel healthy. You will become unhealthy. So the answer of HOTS question is no. You have to write like this. So your students, your lesson number 3 is completed. Explanation plus exercise all over. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in comment box, and it is sufficient for today. In next video I will teach you next topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.